my body has to leave. Can't stay to say goodbye to anyone, but in my heart I still send it the deep gratitude that never fades. Every prayer, every flower that is placed, the tears that flow and the sincere farewell. Even though I can't repay, but please know that I am touched every time. From the sky, I thank you for loving me. Thank you for everything that you've ever done for me. Even though I have to go, I still miss and more. Thank you for helping me until the last day. In the black event, filled with sadness, I can see everyone standing there. I wanna tell you don't be sad, because I will still be in my memory. Every morning, every word of farewell, the sound of the monks chanting gives me peace of mind. Even though I can't left and return to the distant sky, but in my heart I still thank you for the kindness you have given. From the sky, I thank you for the friendship. Thank you for everything that you've ever done for me. Even though I have to go, I still miss and mourn. Thank you for your friendship until the last minute. May everyone continue to live strong, even though I'm not here anymore. But the love for me will remain. And thank you for helping me to find peace. From the sky, I thank you for the friendship. Thank you for everything that you've ever done for me. Even though I have to go, I still miss you and miss you. Thank you for your friendship until the last. Please know, even though we're far away, but the words of thanks from my heart will always reach you.